All right, next rumor. Tesla is going to build their own phone.
That I think came out of nowhere and is nonsense. I think. Now, stranger things have happened. Maybe it did come out of nowhere and is nonsense, but will motivate them to actually do it. I don't see why they couldn't. They're building super awesome cars. They're making their own chips. They're building a robot.
Like, think about it. They have in-house chips, advanced level of technology, AI, internet connectivity, right? Like, there's no reason not to.
The one thing that makes me doubt it, the main thing that makes me doubt it anyway, is that Musk is always about finding an industry that needs disruption. And I don't think he thinks phones need disruption. Okay. He's always very complimentary about the design and capabilities of iPhones, not necessarily complimentary about the company that makes them. But he seems to really like the way phones work now. Yeah. And aside from stuff like Neuralink, which will disrupt that area because you'll be able to like think things to your phone, or indeed have your phone in your head rather than an external device. I think that's the way he'll disrupt it. I really doubt that there's any truth to that Tesla phone story. But aside from a cursory glance, when I started seeing it in my newsfeed, I didn't look into it any deeper than that.
Yeah, the idea was that they're going to use their battery technology to create a phone that would outlast all the other phones on the market. That they could make it super slick, thin, and get the stats up ultra high. Plus, since Elon is always joking about cryptocurrency, everybody said that they're going to have a built-in Dogecoin miner into your phone. So you're kind of, while using your phone, you're gonna earn Dogecoin currencies.
All quite interesting and on the surface level plausible, but I do think that the battery advances that they've been making are not in that form factor. And I think form factor is so important to the battery advances that they're making. I'll be happy to be proven wrong, but I don't think they're going to do that.
Yeah. Well, anyways, we'll see. We'll let ourselves be surprised by everything that comes towards us, right? Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the full version, go to the Uncle Gold Podcast YouTube channel or watch the next clip.